Did you really cross my mind yet again? 'Cause I'm working overtime to forget. Yeah, we had it, rewind. Now we over and that's fine. 'Cause I'd rather rest than wait for you.
Tapos charge mo natin kami ng mga bag mo. Lapis, disposable.
Pusay. Ayun. Ayun.
Teka.
Let me just stop by admitting I'm not that strong. Still smoking loud, good, I promise my mom I'll stay. I'm sick and sick because I'm running around my side. I guess that's typical of just knowing your old time. I still cry for better days. 'Cause I'm tired, I'm so tired of my mistakes. And I recognize it just for a moment.
Kaya na, tagabot ka lang talaga.
Tapos laki ng sweldo mo, ano?
Uy. Naano ko?
Grabe. Alam naman oh.
Malinamnam.
Yung tubig natin.
Malasa talaga yung sa dapat yun. How great is our God.
You call me when you're lonely, but you know you don't own me. Wanna be my one and only tonight. And I don't know why you do that. Hurt me, put me through that. Got me running back to you every time. And I can't keep my hands to myself. And I don't feel this way about anyone else. You're my weakness, I just lose control. Hate to be alone. How can I say no? You're my weakness, baby, you should know. Tell me how to let you go. Now I think about you when I'm lonely. I don't want to, but I'm so weak. Wanna hold you so closely tonight. And I don't know why I do that when I'm so low, wanting you back. Gotta calm down and take my time. You keep telling me that we can fix this, but we can't. The scalpel in your hand is only gonna cut me again, and I don't wanna take that chance. Some things they just don't last. You can't get a prescription for that. Quit shoving these sugar pills down my throat, cause I'm starting to choke. Stop, don't resuscitate, please don't hesitate. Just let it die, we've had our time, we'll be alright. But then you give me 10 cc's of something super sweet, yeah, you put me to sleep. I'm getting drowsy, my eyelids are getting heavy. Kiss me on the cheek, then you're telling me countdown from 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you're in my heart.
Mga pa na maganda at Sarah. Pero mo, hirap mo saan tayo. Bye.
Uy, ba't nagpalit ako? Ang cute, oh. Ay, nakakaway ka naman ito.
Why me? You keep telling me that we'll get past this, but we're never gonna last. So just quit blasting me with your electrotherapy and let's move past this. These things, they come alive in a flash. Sometimes they die just as fast. Didn't Frankenstein